Thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to talk about the social app called Instagram. We're just going to go through some basics of how to post a picture to an Instagram account. So first off, I want to specify that I'm using an iPhone, but I'm sure it's similar or almost the same if you are using a Droid, because Instagram is a universal app. You're going to first want to go to your app store on your phone and download Instagram. It looks this is it right here. So once you do that, I also do want to specify that a lot of people ask me, "Oh, can I just post a picture onto my Instagram account using the internet on my laptop?" No, you can't. It's you can view your account and other people's account if you're on the internet through a PC or a laptop, but in order to post to Instagram, it's kind of like a mobile thing. You're going to have to do it from your smartphone, okay? So let's go ahead and log into Instagram and then follow these steps. Login is really simple. Just add your email and create a username / call sign. I would pick something that's relevant to your business or your brand, okay? Along the bottom here, you first have the home button. And then if you hit, it's going to ask you to find and follow people. You can connect to your Facebook, go through your contacts and ask, find those who have Instagram accounts through your contacts, through your Facebook. You could go onto your Facebook and say, "Hey, I got a new Instagram account. Please follow me," and you can tell people what your call sign is. That's what that is. Next is the magnifying glass. This is just what's popular in the area that's out there right now / what's trending out there right now. Next is the button to post something, and see, it's going to change to, click on it, it's going to change. See how it brings up the it's pretty cool. It brings up the camera, okay? But we'll go through that in just a second. The next button is, this is what you'll tap this to see who's following you or who you're following, type of ordeal. Or if you get somebody that likes your photo or comments on your photo or video, it will notify you in this spot there. And lastly is you can edit your profile through here, okay? You can add a picture for your profile, things like that. Real simple, okay? We're going to go ahead and we're going to post a picture to our Instagram account. It'll be the first one, so let's do this. Again, you're going to tap the middle camera button, okay? And see, it's kind of cool. As my computer. And you can, if you're at a house or something, you could go ahead and take the picture directly into Instagram. But let's say you get back to the office and you're like, okay, I want to post to Instagram now. You're going to click the bottom left-hand corner little box there. The bottom right is the video button. I think you can take up to 10 seconds worth of video or something like that. It does have a limit on it. But we're going to click the picture icon and we're going to select the first one, go to next. And what's really cool is you can pick certain filters. You go through all these filters, kind of see which one is a cool picture. Oh, and I do want to specify, if I hit this back arrow, so I have the picture selected, you could resize it, things like that, okay? You can position it. It's pretty cool. So we're going to hit again next. And we're going to go through. You just tap these and find a filter that you like. They have a bunch of them. I think, we'll go with that one. That one looks cool, okay? Then this middle button is your lux. You can see how it changes, it looks like it's making it darker and stuff. We'll put it right there. That looks fine. and then the little wrench is probably settings. Again, you can adjust if you want to go back and forth, or up and down, tilted up and down. It's really kind of cool. We're just going to hit X and get out of that. You could go through brightness along the bottom, contrast, structure, warmth, saturation, color, fade, highlights, shadows, vignette. This is pretty kind of cool. Watch the corners, the edges of the picture. They kind of get that kind of old school effect to it. We'll go ahead with that. Tilt, shift, and sharpen. Sharpen your picture, or more blurry, we'll put it right there. Once you get something that you like, you will go, again, you can always go back to one of these and pick something. I'm going to real quick adjust it right there, make it more center. Okay, hit the top right hand corner up there where it says next, and you can write a caption. Wonderful home in, I believe this was Linden, Michigan. You write a description. This is where you're going to do hashtags. So I had an agent ask me about hashtags. Hashtags are this. That's a hashtag, or the number sign, okay? And you want to hashtag. This is how you'll want to hashtag your picture to go into certain groups. So maybe I would do for this, maybe Linden, Michigan, real estate. And I do want to specify when you're hashtagging and creating a phrase or writing a phrase, and there's no science to this. Hashtag, maybe 5 or 6 things on your picture. Don't include any spaces. See how I put Linden MI real estate? You have to make it all one word. That's just how hashtagging works, okay? So no spaces, make it one word, but let's hashtag just Michigan real estate. We'll hashtag stone face home. And again, there's no science to this. Hashtag, if this was luxury, looks luxurious, so luxury estate. Oops. Hashtag. And again, all you're doing here is you're hashtagging it, which is you're tagging it to go into certain groups, okay? Now, is there a stone face home hashtag? I don't know. There might be, there might not be. This is where you should try to get creative with your hashtags. And let's say this was a Keller Williams property. So Keller, oh my goodness, Keller Williams. That'll go under Keller Williams hashtag group. Okay, that's good enough. You could tag people. You can add, if you were at the house, I would add this to the photo map. And what that basically means is if you took this picture at the house, it will pinpoint on a map where this picture was taken. Then you could post a Tumblr, Facebook, Twitter, or your Flickr account. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hit share. It says posting at the top. And there we go. Boom. See how you got the little hashtags down there? So I'm just curious. Let's actually click on Linden, Michigan real estate. See if there's any. Oh, it looks like we were the first. So that's something that wasn't. It's not popular. Let's see the MI real estate. Oh, that looks like that's the first as well. Let's see Keller. See, okay, perfect example. See Keller Williams. Obviously, this is a popular group, and so you get a lot of people posting, hashtagging to the group Keller Williams. Now, it shows up on their feed. So anybody who goes into the Keller Williams hashtag group, and in order to find a group, you can go into the magnifying glass and just search it up at the top, okay? And so, but yeah, if anybody goes and searches in the Keller Williams, boom, there is your post in the Keller Williams. Let's see, luxury estate. Yep, there's a ton of that too. So the photo doesn't quite fit in with the other photos, but that's okay. You get the concept. So that's how you post a picture. If you find somebody's picture that you like and you want to like it, you just either hit the heart right there at the bottom left hand corner, or you double tap. If you want to unlike it, you just hit the heart. Okay? This little text bubble, that's how you write you can hashtag a friend on here. You can actually do another hashtag. And see how at the top here it brought up all the most recent ones you've done. So that's really nice, because let's say you do a lot of real estate in Troy, Michigan, okay? Hashtag, we'll try that. Troy, Michigan, real estate. That's probably a popular one. But so every time you post a home to your Instagram, what's nice is you don't have to write out hashtag Troy, Michigan real estate or Troy, Michigan. It just, you start hashtagging it, it'll come up as most recent stuff, and you could just select it, okay? So, and that's that. Nope, looks like Troy, Michigan real estate was first for us to create. If you have any questions, that's pretty much how you use Instagram. Play around on it. It's really a simple app to get used to. But this is where you want to get some more exposure, build your brand. I would go to your personal Facebook and say, hey, people, start following me. I post some awesome fun photos in my Instagram account. So here's my call sign or Instagram account username. Therefore, they can find you. And like I said, ours, as you can see right there, is BC Lending. And that's how you start building your brand on Instagram. If you have any questions or concerns regarding this, just reach out to me. It was a pleasure, and happy Instagramming. Thanks. Bye-bye.